Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review on, I think I want to say it's pronounced an open box and review on the Soonsun, I believe it is. Waterproof video light. We're going to be using it on a GoPro. So I think it should be all right, but we're going to get into it and find out. Here we go. I haven't opened this box up yet, so we're going to open it up and check out what the contents is. Okay, nothing else in there. All right, looks like you get, pull this clear container off here. First things first, let's look at this. Let's see what this is. See, I'll get a chance to see that, because that's exactly what's in the box. I have not opened this box up yet. This is the very first time. So let's go. It says waterproof video light, and it's a user guide for the Soonsun. Lithium-ion batteries. Looks like it's got several different positions as far as the lighting goes. It's got a wide angle, a narrow angle, and an ultra wide angle. Well, that's pretty cool. You know, especially if you're filming up close, like kind of film if you're filming yourself when you know looking at stuff. So we're going to open this up right here. This is the light itself. See the top of it? Okay. All right, so I guess you can flip this up, flip that up, and open that up, and it will show you the two batteries that's in there. Now, you can run this with one battery, but then your life expectancy on the battery kind of, sort of, you know, goes bad. Okay, and then the other one we've got, there's a charging cable. It's a USB normal to a USB-C. I'd recommend getting a wall wart, because you know, you plug these things up in the low voltage of a USB in a computer and it'll take forever. So yeah, get you a wall wart, and it comes with a couple little adapter things here. This looks like this snaps up in the top of your camera. Like, I've got a GoPro here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Oh no, I got a media pod. I think that's what that goes in as a media pod. Hold on just a second. Let me try to find that thing. I got one here somewhere. I mean, my God. Where has it gone to? I thought I had a media pod here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. It's over here. Sorry. I've been doing some other filming and I can't keep up. I just can't. So, like on a camera, you see where you have this, then that's where you would slide this piece into. See that? Now, unfortunately, the base they send with this to mount this on, you know, your either a gimbal or whatever, and you mount your camera on one side and then your light on the other side, it's not going to fit if you use a media mod. It's too tight. It just won't work. Right in here, where this comes up, it just bows over. It's not made for that. I think they just made it to work just for the camera solely alone, I guess, is what I'm thinking. Now this is a GoPro Hero 11, and on the bottom you have your little feet stand out. So you see that. So they would mount, you know, in this mount that it comes with, and then you'd slide this little piece in here and tighten this up like that. Okay. All right, now that's in there. Now you take your light, put your light on this end, all right, just like that. You take the other screw that's provided and you pull that in there. Now I'd recommend just tightening that on down. You know, get that thing where it's cranked down a little bit. Okay, now that that's hooked up like it is, now you can see if this was on. I don't have another tripod. Okay, well, you get the gist of it. This right down here, this is where the tripod hooks up to. So, you know, with one of these things. So anyway, you got the gist of it, how that works. So this light has, I think, 6 different positions on it, or functions as far as the light. Let's check it out. Let's fire it. Now I haven't charged it. We're just gonna fire it up. I think you press it. Oh, there it goes. Woo, man, that's just one. All right, let's press it one more time. All right, it dims down a little bit. Okay. Dims down a little bit more. Oh yeah, it's getting narrower now. So it's getting in more, like if I face it to me, it's getting a little bit more of a narrow. Let's just hit it again. So I don't know what that did, but I can't see nothing. So let's press it one more time. Okay, that's dim. And you can see, look here on the back of the light. If you look at these indicators that are indicating up there, so I'm gonna press them, and you'll see that changes. And I think what that does is goes to, it says soft, softer, T, but I don't know what the T means. I guess that's for, I really don't know what it's for, but it looks like the light works very, very well. I'm surprised of how small it is and how bright it is. I can't wait. There's an abandoned motel out in the middle of the woods. Maybe I should take this thing one night. Ooh, that sucker might be haunted. I don't know what I would do. But anyway, maybe I should take this thing down there and try to film that and see what it looks like. So this is really bright. So this is what it is. So if any of you guys are researching, trying to get a review on it or know what it's about, there you go. I just showed you everything I know about it, and I'm gonna go do some more testing on it. Take it outside and see how well that works. You know what? Let's do that. Hang tight. Okay, here we are in the backyard, and I'm going to fire it up, one shot. All right, that is, I think that's a soft, is what that's showing. Hit it one more time, and that's even softer. And that gives me a little bit there. So I guess if I'm up close and I've got this camera right with the light, we're good as far as walking. Let's do it. All right, that's toning it down a little bit more. There we go. That's even made it brighter. Now you go to the trees and looking around, so that gives you a little bit of perspective of how this light works. I got the granddaughter's treehouse there, so there you go. Hopefully that shows you about how this light works. So all right, guys, gals, well, there you have it. The what is it called? the Soonsun light for your, you know, for waterproof filming or whatever. We didn't get it for that. We got it for some other things to do at night on one of our personal channels. And so we figured we'd just do a review on it and show you guys all about it. So, hey, let me know what you think. You can put information below in the comments. Again, we'll put the description, we'll put a link to the description where you can get this from. It's not that expensive. It's pretty decent. So you saw how it worked, saw how it performed. I'm pleased with it. I think it's going to work for what we need it for. So appreciate you guys. If y'all like this video, if this helped you out, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you guys so much. We see you on the next one.